Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Urbandale, local and long distance movers near me. 3 Movers will take the stress away from you by planning and executing your move. We will take care of everything from packing services to loading, unloading, and unpacking your luggage once it arrives at the new destination. We will also help you get authorization from all relevant bodies to make work easier for you. Our team of highly trained individuals will handle all the tasks for you so that you can focus on other essential things. When it comes to the moving charges, you have nothing to worry about because our rates are affordable. Although we are not the cheapest company in the market, we guarantee you top-notch service. We charge our long-distance moves per mile and ensure all of our customers get excellent personalized services. Our professional team will assess your needs and give you feedback early to give you enough time to prepare and plan your budget. Even if it's you're moving within Urbandale, the moving can be time-consuming and stressful if you plan to move. Some moving companies may even charge you more for a local short distance move than a long distance one. 3 Movers will analyze your needs and come up with a plan that fits your budget. All you need to do is give us a call with a list of your needs and we will oblige. We offer an hourly rate for our local moves within Urbandale. After assessing your needs, we will provide you with a cost breakdown and give you a plan for your budget. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Urbandale moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.